One wrong choice in your preference order can actually affect your entire career. What if I tell you a few private colleges are equally good as government colleges? Understand how rank is more important than marks. I'll be telling you all government and best private colleges in Maharashtra that you can actually trust. So to know all of these college related information, keep watching this video. Hello everyone, I am Prapti, a first year physiotherapy student, and I hope you are doing fine and welcome back to a new video. So if you are a NEET 2025 aspirant who is planning to take admission into Bachelor's of Physiotherapy, which is BPT, then you have clicked on a very right video. This video is going to be your ultimate guide on how you should be choosing colleges, but this is specific to Maharashtra only. And in this video, one thing what you will understand is how cutoff and how you should be choosing your colleges. And cutoff का मतलब सिर्फ marks अच्छे marks नहीं होता, a lot of more parameters matter. So keep watching this video till the end to actually know the right college which you should be choosing for yourself, depending upon your marks and your rank and a lot of other parameters which we'll be talking further. Let's get started. We will be actually also talking about how NEET 2025 marks and rank will now work after such a difficult NEET 2025 paper. Why is AIR, which is your All India rank, more important than your marks? And what actually matters when you are choosing a college, like clinical exposure, fees, MUHs, and a lot of new factors? And actually how to build your own college preference list in a very smart and realistic way. And whatever information that I'll be telling you all, I have referred to the PDFs and everything. The CET NEET के वाया ही आया है, and all the accurate information will be given to you all very properly. So yeah, let's get started with the video. Also, basically now on, if you check the CET ka site and you go in the NEET UG section, you will see that admission process has kind of started. But notifications में the schedule has come, and NEET 2025 brochure has also come. So NEET 2025 के brochure में there are a lot of things like an overview. So considering all of those things also, we will talk everything properly about the colleges. Firstly, you see a lot of videos which say that cutoff for physiotherapy and everything. But let me tell you actually what exactly cutoff is. So now that the NEET 2024 की जो cutoff की PDF है, that has come, which is right here in front of me, जिसमें से I'll give you all a lot of things. So cutoff is actually nothing without context. Now that lowest rank can be anyone, anything. The last seed could be in the form of some second stray round mein mila, or someone who didn't get any better option, or a random student who did not choose his or her files, or a random student जिसने उसकी जो filling list है वो अच्छे से नहीं भरी. So basically, on just on the basis of cutoff, you should not be deciding, what college you want to go to. There are a lot of other parameters जो हमें consider करने हैं. Also, when you open that PDF and see, so you might see very good colleges like Somaiya, Sancheti. They have their closing rank at like 7 lakh or 8 lakh. So that doesn't mean uska cutoff utna hai. It is just that someone just got lucky enough to get into that colleges, while some or the other way. So that's why in this video, of course, we will consider the ranks and the marks ka parameter also, mainly the ranks, but we'll also discuss a lot of other parameters जिसके basis पे you should be filling your preference list. So let's now rightly understand how to judge colleges in a right way. So right here I have my PC, so जिसमें I have written everything properly कि what all parameters are used. So let's get started one by one. So how do you actually judge if a college is nice or not? Because low cutoff does not mean that the college is bad, and high cutoff does not mean it's great. It can vary, it differs according to your convenience. So I have written total 9 factors that I want all of you all to check before you fill your college ka preference list. So the first thing we have is government versus private. So of course, always give first preference to the government colleges than the private ones. Why? Because government has lower fees. It has very good clinical exposure because government hospitals के साथ उसका tie up होता है, and also it is better to pursue PG, and you get a better jobs and everything if you have done your UG or PG whatever from a government college. So always choose government over private. There are a lot of benefits. The second point that I've written is hospital tie-up. Like this is non-negotiable. If you like, you're going to become a doctor or physiotherapist, your practical, your clinical knowledge should be very good, even better than your theoretical knowledge, right? So your college must be attached to like a proper hospital, a proper real tie-up should be done, and good clinical exposure should be given to all the students there. And hospitals should have like OPD, IPD, every, and without, if it's not there, then clinical learning is impossible. Also abhi what happens that hospitals के साथ tie up तो होता है, the third point, but getting to assess, getting to learn things practically is also important. So you should talk to students or your seniors studying in that college कि do you all get to properly assess, treat and everything patient को करने मिलता है कि नहीं. And on the basis of that, if the answer is no, then you should just skip it because the practical knowledge of the college is very important. Fourth point I have written is teaching staff. So basically I feel all the colleges usually have teachers जिन्होंने MPT कर लिया है, जिन्होंने PhD कर लिया है. Like getting into PhD is थोड़ा difficult, but MPT जिनका हो गया, they are properly experienced, because you need someone who can make you understand things very properly, because honestly studying in a medical college is not easy. So you need a good mentor, good teacher who will actually so you need to understand कि कैसा है उसका overall academic wise how the college is. Like honestly speaking, my college का academics I feel is very good, and clinical exposure bhi is good. I have been to many clinical postings and have gotten a lot of experience as a first year itself. Talking about the fifth point is MUHS affiliation. So MUHS is the Maharashtra University of Health Science. Is the college properly listed under MUHS? You can check that on the official website of MUHS, and I'll link down the website of MUHS. You can go check that out as well. We're talking about the sixth one, new rule. जैसे कि we know that NCAHP will be the one जो physiotherapy colleges को संभालेगा. So all the paramedical courses, including BPT, will come under National Commission of Healthcare and Allied Profession. So in this section, your college should be either already registered or should be in process. Seventh, location. Trust me, location is very, very important. So it can vary. For example, Abhi, if you stay in Nasik, so you would be very likely to choose a college in Nasik itself. But before you choose the college, make sure that the clinical exposure in that college is very good. And if you are okay, according to me, Mumbai and Pune are the best hub for medical colleges because you get so much clinical exposure. These are three-tier cities. There's a lot of more exposure, a lot more hospital postings. People staying in Mumbai and Pune, of course, should take colleges from there. But other people who don't stay here and stay somewhere else in Maharashtra, I would genuinely advise you to consider coming to Mumbai and Pune for your UG, because this just gives you a lot of more clinically, and in all terms you just become better, more nicer and everything. And if that is not possible because sabka alag hota hai, you like if you're very attached to your family and you don't want to, so you in your own locality, like where you stay, try to find the best medical college जो actually will suit all the criteria. Talking about the eighth thing, this is basic campus infrastructure, hostels and labs. So campus I feel is fine, infra is also fine. But hostel, if you are traveling, so you should see hostels. For example, my college also has a hostel, but very less people stay there. A lot of students stay in their own PG houses, तो उन्होंने खुद rent किया होता है. Talking about the labs, I feel is very important because physiotherapy के there are different labs. Like in our college, we have muscular lab, we have cardiopulmonary labs, and different labs are present. तो हर lab में तुम्हारे practicals होंगे, so making sure the labs are big. For that, you need to visit colleges. So visiting colleges is also very important to see पहले से कि कैसी है college. because you should just not trust the photos that are given on Google, because they can be different, they can, mislead you or misguide you. So it is very important to visit the colleges, and once you visit that college, so you will meet the students there, you will meet teachers, and जाके बात करके आने का कि क्या है, कैसे है, I'm planning to take admission here, and whatever doubts you have, you should ask selflessly, because you are going to spend what 5 years of your journey. And talking about the next point is student feedback, that you should take time to talk to the students of that college ki how has their experience been, and how is everything, because of course when you talk to teachers and principals, they will always tell you good things and everything, but you actually should ask students, which is very important, ki how do you feel, should I take admission, how is the clinical exposure, what is your expectation versus reality, and all of that. तो फिर these are the 9 important things कि कोई भी कॉलेज डाल रहे हो, भले तुम डालोगे 5 कॉलेज, बट तुम्हारे दिमाग में लाइक यू हैव इन योर दिमाग ना कि यू वांट दीज 2 कॉलेजेस में से वन कॉलेज आई नीड इट, सो विजिट दोस कॉलेजेस, सी दैट जो तुम सोच रहे हो, you're thinking about that college, is that even true, or you're just in your imaginary world. So all the checks should be done. फिर कॉलेज अलॉट हो गए, and then you're like, oh, I did not expect this, but I got this. That phase of your life should not come only. So take proper time to see what college and everything you are seeing. Okay.